Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Philip Norton here with Norton Trading. It is Thursday afternoon, August 30th, lunchtime, and I thought I'd take a look here at Micron Technologies and see what we're really seeing over the last couple of days. For any of you following my videos, you'll know that I've made a couple here on Micron. One 2 weeks ago, which I talked about this bounce. So we had the lower channel here, and of course long-term trend line, and it bouncing back up into the low 50 range, which, as you can see, it did so. So if you haven't seen those videos, I'll have a link to it at the end of this one. Once you got into that low 50 range, then we've reached the top of the channel. And I actually made a video just a couple of days ago stating that we were going to go ahead and potentially have a pullback off that channel. And you kind of see we had two little bit days bouncing up against that top of this channel in there, and it's actually a good kind of moment to kind of bring back and talk, because I actually had bought on the break of 52, as I called out in my previous video, but we actually saw a double bottom yesterday right down here at the 51.30 support, and sold there. Saw it wasn't going to break. So I actually talk a lot in my videos about price action and the importance of price action. It's great to be able to have these technicals and look at a chart, and especially when you have the trend lines and pivots and supports and resistance lines, to really know where that price action is going to come from. When are we going to see these movements of the stock? And so, of course, we were going to have that at the upper channel, and we did so. But both days after that, actually, you can see, had quite a bit of buying and made these little hammers. So really we had just a little bit of consolidation here, and it actually turned into more of a bear flag than it did a bounce off the upper channel, which is a big reason why after taking the trade, I quickly got out. It was, 50 cents on the trade, but nothing really important there. And then to watch to see how it would react today. Would it actually break down below that 51.30 resistance and give me a chance to continue to short the stock down towards the long-term trend line or even the bottom of the channel? Or would we break out? And as you can see, we clearly broke out, waiting for it here at 52.30 to actually break this trend line. And then really once you got to about 52.60, 52.50, 52.60, higher than top of this candle here 2 days ago, you really had that confirmation of that breakout. So that, of course, is the time to switch around and look at the buying opportunity as we break out and run up until hopefully getting back up to retest this 58.16 area. For those of you watching the videos, a couple of days ago, I was looking for the bounce off this to go lower. And of course now, as the technicals changed, the price action showed that there was strong buying here. We were able to actually break out of this somewhat, short term here since June kind of downtrend and break out of that. And now we look to push back up and ride this wave as high as we can. Thank you for joining me this afternoon, and best of luck with all of your trading.